Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bill.com Review My Usage Experience. Bill.com Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing your Bill.com account. It's primarily targeted at small business owners and freelancers who use Bill.com for invoicing and payment processing. Key features likely include invoice tracking, payment history review, and potentially expense reporting analysis. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Bill.com is known for its focus on ease of use, though specific pricing details vary based on individual needs. They boast a streamlined process for managing accounts payable and receivable. Availability is generally worldwide, as Bill.com itself is a global service. You can check their website for detailed availability in your specific region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bill.com Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged into my existing Bill.com account and navigated to the reporting section. The interface was intuitive. I was able to quickly generate reports on outstanding invoices and payments received. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter reports by date and client. The performance was excellent, reports generated almost instantaneously. I had a quick question about a specific report and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how customizable the reports were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download reports in various formats, like CSV and PDF, for easy integration with my accounting software. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick on-the-go access to reports, although the web interface is responsive. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bill.com Review My Usage Experience. It has streamlined my financial reporting significantly. That's my overview of Bill.com Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.